Hello there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we have a super fun drawing and coloring adventure in store for you. We're going to learn about 3 special letters and the things that start with them. Are you ready? Great! Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Our first letter is A. Let's draw it together. Start at the top, go down, and then make a little hump like this. See? It's like a mountain. Make it 3D by adding some lines for depth.
Wow!
Good job! Now, what do you think starts with a? That's right, it's an apple. Let's draw an apple right next to our letter A. Look at our apple. So round and delicious.
Cool!
Our next letter is B. Let's draw it just like this. A straight line and then a big, round belly.
Awesome!
Make it 3D by adding some lines for depth. Great job! Now, what starts with B? It's a ball. Let's draw a bouncy ball next to our letter B. Wow, that's a fantastic ball.
Wow!
Our last letter today is C. Let's draw it just like this, a big curve. Make it 3D with some lines for depth. You're doing amazing.
Cool!
Now, what starts with C? It's a chair. Let's draw a comfy chair next to our letter C. That looks like a great place to sit, doesn't it?
Awesome!
All right, little artists, it's time to add some color to our drawings. Remember, we won't say the colors out loud, but we'll talk about the objects we're coloring. A is for apple. Apples are yummy and healthy. What other words can you think of that start with a? A is also for ant, those tiny insects that like to march in lines. And airplane, the vehicles that fly high in the sky. B is for ball. We can play games with balls. What games do you like to play with balls? is also for butterfly, the beautiful insects with colorful wings that flutter in the garden. And banana, the delicious and sweet yellow fruit.
Wow!
C is for chair. Chairs are for sitting and resting. Can you think of other things we can sit on? Like a couch or a swing. C is also for car, the four-wheeled vehicle that people use to travel on the road. And cat, the cute and often fluffy pet that says meow. Great job today, little artists! You've learned about the letters A, B, and C, and the objects that start with them. Keep practicing your drawing and coloring, and you'll become amazing artists. Thanks for joining us at Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Hey there, creative kiddos! Today, we're diving into an important topic, dental health. Are you ready to learn how to draw a tooth drawing that's both fun and informative? Let's brush up on our artistic skills together. Imagine a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a healthy tooth, all essential for a bright, happy smile. Today, we're going to draw them together and learn about dental health. Let's grab our pencils and markers and get started on our dental adventure. Now, let's grab our trusty black marker and start outlining our sketch. We'll begin with the holder, adding details like the toothpaste tube and toothbrush. Don't forget to draw a heart shape on the body of the holder for some extra love. Outline the tooth. Make the outline bold and sharp. And now, it's time to add some color to our dental essentials. Sky blue color. Green color. Indigo color. Orange color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Move to the tooth. We color it with rainbow colors. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Great job, everyone! I hope you had a blast drawing and coloring with me today. Until next time, keep on creating and exploring, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.